Jerk your homeboy off or let your mom die?
Oh shit, man, mom dead, bro.
Mom
She gotta
gone?
go. She gotta go.
Mom gone.
She gotta go, man. She lived her life, bro. I can't do that. I can't.
Do life in prison or let a horse smash you from the back to set you free?
I mean, shit. Either way, I'm gonna get fucked. So I'm gonna let the horse fuck me in the ass, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Would you rather drink a strawberry milkshake with maggots and shit and piss and throw up all in it?
What?
Or chew on a used condom with blood in it?
Maggots all day.
Maggots? Maggots gonna have nut all over it.
What the fuck, man? It's all bad, yo. It's all bad. No, that shit is all bad. You added the extra shit.
Would you eat a shit sandwich with diarrhea in it for $500 billion?
For 500 billion, I shit in that motherfucker myself. Eat that. But do I get to choose who shits in the sandwich?
Yeah, who you want the shit on it?
SZA, Iggy Azalea. We got Willie. Can I mix and match it and like have two of them shit on it?